Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert USDC to USDT on MEXC in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC mobile application, and if you already have an account, make sure that you are logging into your account. But if you don't have an account, now is the time for you to create your account on MEXC, because currently MEXC is giving you up to 8,000 sign up bonuses if you create your account using the link that is given in the description. So once you are in your MEXC account, simply come on the home page and tap on the more option. In the features section, you will see convert option. So simply tap on convert and then you will be landed on this conversion page. Now over here, by default USDT will be here, so you need to simply tap on this arrow option so that USDT come in the to section. Then tap on the drop down menu on from, and over here you need to simply search for USDC. Now once you are able to find USDC, you need to simply select it and here enter the amount of USDC that you want to convert into USDT. Then it will show you the conversion rate and activate the option of preview conversion in the bottom. So tap on the preview conversion option and you will be given 10 to 15 seconds in order to complete that conversion. So you need to select that and you will be able to convert from USDC to USDT with zero fees. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.